Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to do a quick review of the Weekend Income Project by Kane Shieh. This is a service that I just joined and it looks really promising. It's a brand new service, so there's not that much data on the alerts that have gone out, but I'm going to show you what there is. And also, I found some of the test data before the service was launched, so it's really cool. These guys are actually testing these strategies and then launching services. They're not just, putting stuff out there that isn't proven. So before we get started on the review, check out the link in the description below. It'll take you to this course, Learn How to Win 90% of Your Trades in 90 Seconds. This is a joint venture with Lance from thetatraders.com. He's an expert at selling options. A little bit similar style to what I'm going to talk about in terms of Kane Shieh's Weekend Income, but a whole bunch of different strategies and things that you'll learn from this course completely free. Definitely check it out. Just put your email in the link in the description below and get going with that. So let's get started with Kane Shieh's Weekend Income Review. If you guys follow the channel, you've heard me probably start to talk about Kane. He's part of the Trading Pub along with Roger Scott and Lance Ippolito. I think I'm saying that right. So Kane is basically doing butterfly trades inside Weekend Income, which is really cool. He also has gamma pockets, which I've talked about. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to come and check out this Weekend Income Review. You'll have plenty of other opportunities in here to check out the gamma pockets that he does. That's a really good service if you've seen my videos on that. I also have a review on it as well, so you can check out my full review on gamma pockets. So many services out there, so much stuff to check out. Anyway, the Weekend Income Review, it's run by Kane, like I said. So Kane is this guy right here. He's very credible. He's a former vice president and portfolio manager at PIMCO. So overseeing daily trades averaging $200 billion. So pretty cool. He's got some really good back history with some big names, some legends in the industry. So definitely check him out. Come to this article. You can read more about him right here. If you want to learn more from Kane himself and learn the strategy in more detail, I've put a link in the article here, right here, or click on these things. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can just go straight to this webinar. It's a short webinar, it's well presented, it talks about the Weekend Income Project, exactly what you get with it, and it's the only place you can actually buy this. There's no website for this yet, so you have to watch the webinar and then buy this product. So it's very new, like I said, they haven't even got it up on their website yet. So what do you get? Well, if we go to the membership area right here, you get alerts, which is these. Click on here. So you get entry and exit alerts. You can see some of them here. You get masterclasses, which is really awesome, teaching you the butterfly strategy, which I wrote about, by the way, in my article a little bit. I'm not an expert on butterflies, but if you go to the article right here and talk about what the components of a butterfly spread are. It might sound complicated, it puts a lot of people off, it put me off for a long time, but really it's really simple. You're just buying options and selling options at the same time. And the spreads are really pretty interesting. Kane, I think, just does long butterfly spreads, which is this one right here. So you're buying one lower strike call or put, selling two at the money calls, buying one higher strike call. So these are really easy, and I'll show you a few examples just in a second here. So everybody cares about the profitability. So let's go to Weekend Trading Club. It's called the Income Project or the Weekend Trading Club. So let's look at the tracker. So I love how these guys always keep a good track record of all their trades here. So there's the tracker. You see this in all of the Trading Pub stuff, and I love it. So here we go. These are the trades that have been done in the service so far. So not that many. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades so far. And you can see the entry date started in October this year. Down the bottom here, this is the first trade, DG. 77, 82, 87 bullish spread. Kane explains how to do this. It's, like I said, it's pretty simple once you've done a couple of them. And he puts the entry and the exit and the percent gain, which is pretty nice. So you can see these are the percent gains of 100% winners so far. Typical gains from 8% to about 18% so far. So pretty nice. And then, like a lot of these other services the Trading Pub does, they put a nice summary up the top here. We can scroll up here. So far, net profit is 5,561. 9 winners, 100% winners, no losses, so they can't calculate a profit factor or anything like that. So really nice. Here is the testing of the weekend income project. So remember I mentioned that they didn't just do like they didn't just start the system with no test results. So you can see the top here, 35 winners, 4 losers, nearly 90% win rate, net profit 35,000. So that's pretty good. Looking through the trades here, you can see there's a lot more here. I think, how many did I say? Like 39 trades total, all the way back to the start of the year. So this is the start of 2024. We're now at the end of 2024. That gives you an idea of how many trades to expect. It's one every week or two. So it's not like a super busy service, but these are swing trades. Typically, you're in these for a few days, maybe 4 days over the weekend. So it's a good point. The weekend income program or project, it's supposed to be like you enter on like a Thursday and you're out by Monday or so. It's not exact and it varies a little bit, but typically you're looking at maybe a 3 to 7 day hold max on these. You can see the types of tickers he's doing, the different bullish spreads, the entries and exits. And yeah, still an amazing track record, an amazing service. I'm excited about it. I don't normally trade butterflies, but if I do, I'm going to definitely try it with this service because he has such a good track record so far. He also explains things really well. He actually messaged me the other day and said, hey, you need to check out the masterclass in the Gamma Pocket service that he runs. And so I watched his introduction video here. It's pretty good. But yeah, if this is something that you're interested in doing with these really high success rates where you're not spending much time at all and you're just placing these sophisticated butterfly trades, they're really not that hard when you get used to them. Definitely check it out. I highly recommend clicking on the link in the description. It'll take you to the Weekend Income Project webinar. This is where you can purchase for the best possible price. It's not that expensive. Forgotten how much it is exactly. And the price changes, so I'm hesitant to say what the price is. Just to watch the webinar, get the price from that, and you'll be able to purchase this. Definitely worth checking out. I really think this is a good service, and I hope you guys check it out. Even if you just check out the webinar and see if it's for you or not. Be pretty interesting. Alright, hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.